Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to change header image in Lisfinity themes. So if you are using Lisfinity theme for your directory website, then you can continue this video. Here I am going to show you the easy process so that you can change the header background image or header image without hiring a developer. So let's get started. Right now I'm on the home page and I wanted to change this header image. That is basically so easy. If you have started using WordPress and you know basic WordPress, also you know basic Elementor, then you can change this header image easily. But the problem is that you cannot do this right now. That's why you have come in the YouTube and find my video, and right now you are watching this one. So no problem, I don't make you unhappy. I will try to make you happy and give you the quick solution. So first I want to show you what we do basically to change any header image or any element in header of WordPress based website. So what we do in the first time, this is edit with Elementor. We basically click on this button, then we try to edit the header. But the problem is that you can see right now the header section is not editable right now. There is no option to change the header image. Okay, let's go back. You can see that I am on my dashboard, and here I am going to click on the customize section under the appearance. This is the very common things we do normally to change any header element. Okay, now I am on the customization section, and you can see that there are header setup option. So click on this option and then header setup, click on it, and you can see header type default. There are no option to change the header image, and I hope you already check everything from your basic experience. Okay, no problem, then go back. Then you can see that there also no option to change this header image. So now I am going to show you the very secret and easy process to change this header image quickly without hiring a developer. Okay, so to do this, first you have to log in your WordPress website, then go to the dashboard, put your mouse on the Lisfinity options, then click on the hero setup. We are right now on the hero setup section of Lisfinity themes. Then we just click on the upload button and select any image that we want to add. So I am going to select this one, then click on the select button and click on the save changes. Wow, we have done. Now go back my home page and reload. Yes, we have done it very perfectly. So I hope you understand the easy process. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any help, service, relevant WordPress, listing website, directory website, or any complex multi-vendor e-commerce website, even any support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.